Hello friends. Welcome to Unlock English Through Story. Let me ask you something. Have you ever tried to change a bad habit, but failed? Maybe you wanted to wake up early, but the bed felt too soft. Maybe you wanted to stop wasting time, but your phone pulled you back. Or maybe you tried to eat healthy, but the junk food was too tasty. Why does this happen? Why are bad habits so hard to break? Today, we will find the answers. We will learn what habits really are, why they control us, and how you can overcome bad habits. And I will tell you a story. The story of Tom. Tom was a young man. He had many bad habits. He always slept late. He missed his classes. He ate unhealthy food. He spent hours on his phone. Tom knew these were bad for him, but he couldn't stop. Every day he told himself, "I will change tomorrow." But tomorrow never came. Tom felt stuck, like something else was controlling him. But what? One day Tom visited his grandfather. His grandfather was a wise man. Tom said, "Grandpa, I feel lost. I want to change, but I can't. It feels like my bad habits control me." Grandfather smiled. He said, "That is true, Tom. Habits control us because they live inside our brain." Tom looked confused. Grandfather explained, "Our brain loves routine. When we repeat something again and again, the brain makes it easy. It becomes automatic. It feels normal even if it's bad." Tom asked, "But why? Why does the brain do that?" Grandfather said, "Because your brain wants to save energy. It builds shortcuts. Good or bad, the brain doesn't care. It only follows what you do often." Tom nodded. He finally understood. That is what habits really are. Repeated actions that become automatic, that feel normal. But they can be dangerous if they are bad. Tom asked, "But Grandpa, how can I overcome them?" Grandfather smiled again. "Tom, do you know how a big tree grows?" Tom replied, "From a small seed." Grandfather said, "Exactly. Bad habits start small. We don't notice them at first, but if we water them, if we feed them, they grow strong, like big trees. And then it is hard to remove them." Tom asked, "So, is there hope?" Grandfather laughed. "Of course, my boy. But remember, you can't cut a big tree in one day. You cut it one small branch at a time." Grandfather continued, "If you want to overcome bad habits, start small. First, know your bad habits. Be honest. Second, replace them with good ones. Third, be patient. And forgive yourself when you make mistakes." Tom listened carefully. He decided to try. Tom's change. The next morning, Tom woke up early. It was hard, but he tried. He left his phone in another room. He started reading a book. He ate an apple instead of junk food. He made a simple timetable. Some days he failed, but he didn't give up. Day by day, his bad habits lost their power. Tom was no longer controlled by them. After 2 months, Tom's life changed. He felt healthy. He felt proud. He felt free. What can we learn? Habits are powerful. They control us because they live inside our brain. But we can control them. It starts small, with honesty, with good habits, with patience. Remember, bad habits grow like trees, but even the biggest tree can be cut down now, one small step at a time. You are stronger than your bad habits. Never give up. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this story, please like this video. It helps more people learn English. Don't forget to subscribe to Unlock English Through Story. We will learn many more stories together. And if you want to help your friends, share this video with them. Let's learn English. Let's grow together. Thank you so much.